about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel.
Hey, what's up everybody?
Today we decided to take advantage of the beautiful weather and we are at Sherman Falls in Hamilton. You can see it behind us. We haven't made it there yet. We're gonna head that way, but it's very loud already from here, so
yeah, we're not sure how much the water will impede our microphones.
So we may not actually have a lot of talking. It could just be a beautiful montage video, but
if you guys are lucky, it'll be mostly montage, not us blabbing.
let's
go
head
check it out.
Wait, where's the
other side?
All right, let's go check it out.
I'm done living life with the lights out, died with my own doubts.
Need a good test for this gimbal.
Yeah, I was just doing some walking shots with just my iPhone 8, no gimbal. See how shaky my footage is versus Steve's on his Osmo.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, this is really neat.
Behind the scenes of behind the scenes.
So many BTSs right now.
Living life with the lights out, died with my own doubts.
You guys want to cross that bridge and come up the other side and see like the other side of the falls?
Yes, I do.
All right, let's do it.
Steve and Eric are up there on the bridge. They're trying to get the perfect shot of the falls, which is straight ahead. Making the truck up. Let's see, is he gonna fall? Is he gonna fall? Made it! Ooh.
Made it.
Eric is totally just gonna walk through that photo shoot happening right there. Now he's awkwardly stopped pretending to take a picture when he really wants to walk to the right.
The night is young, and you got me going on every single beat. Hits my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you cause you sweep me off my feet.
What do you think, Eric?
That was pretty cool.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually bigger than I expected. I kind of thought it would just be like, you know, a little waterfall, but it was, you know, pretty good size.
Yeah. I thought it was gonna be busier down here too. Like it's busy, but not like.
Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. It's all because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong.
On our way back to the car, and the whole walking downhill on the way there was awesome, but the walking uphill on the way back, not so awesome.
Oh, it's nice and cool down by the waterfall with the water and the shade.
You should have jumped in. But I think we're gonna reward ourselves with our good outdoor hike.
Oh, that's cool. Look at this view.
I know, it's really sweet.
With some ice cream.
We got distracted by the view. We're simple people.
So like I was saying, we're gonna stop for ice cream. These two got distracted by the view, which I'm sure you'll see right here because they're all taking video of it.
My problem is it looks like shit on a cell phone.
And there's Debbie Downer.
You got me.
Okay.
Like I said, we're gonna go get some ice cream. Eric's in the back there. Steve's just, I don't know what he's doing, eating M&Ms. We're gonna go get some ice cream, but the eternal debate of where we go. Everybody give a
cheap
vote.
ice cream like dollar cone from McDonald's or something, or like
No.
But they have the
there we go. That solves that one.
Something better than
But it
that.
has Reese's Pieces McFlurries.
Do you want like Easterbrooks, like real ice cream?
What's the same with like Easterbrooks or something?
Alright, I guess we're going to Easterbrooks, which is a good old
Well, no, you guys want to go? It doesn't-
fine.
I like Easterbrooks.
This is why I'm recording this, because we can never make a decision on where to go for something like ice cream. Easterbrooks is good. It's like a good old-fashioned ice cream parlor.
And it's real ice cream.
Well, everybody get like a real ice cream, yeah.
Alright, who's gonna eat till they barf?
I am.
It's just one of these nights. Love and it feels nice. The apple of my eye.
So we're almost at Easterbrooks and we've been debating on what kind of ice cream. Oh look, you can see Eric back there too. This is the perfect angle.
Hey everyone.
We've
Welcome back to our channel. Thank you.
We've been debating on what kind of ice cream we're gonna get. I think Steve's gonna go for a hot fudge sundae. I don't know, Eric, did you decide what you're gonna get?
Not yet. I have to take a look at my options.
I'm probably gonna stick with my old faithful, a tiny little scoop of chocolate chip cookie dough. But we're just about to pull in, so we'll see what we, maybe we'll splurge and get like a banana split.
You said you were going on about wanting to try one.
Yeah, but that's a lot of ice cream to eat for one person.
Yeah.
Alright,
The problem
we're
is-
pulling in, let's see what we got.
These nights, love
Here we
so
go.
strong, can't be wrong because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong, no, because of you. 'Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. It's just one of these nights.
Eric got single scoop. He's already half eaten it.
It's huge. It's a single scoop of chocolate chip cookie dough.
Steve got a little baby
I got a
cup.
single scoop of crayons and cream.
And well, that's what I got.
Pulling it all out.
Banana split.
I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong, no, because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye.
We are all done at Easterbrooks. Enjoyed our ice cream. I think half of it landed up on my face, but whatever. It's all good. Eric enjoyed his chocolate chip
Chocolate chip cookie dough was very good.
in a cone, and Steve enjoyed his.
Pralines and cream.
And
It's
I
delicious.
half enjoyed the banana split. Anyways, we're gonna end the video here. Just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to our channel, please take a moment and hit that big red subscribe button at the bottom of your screen.
Hit that big bell for notifications so you don't miss any of our future uploads.
Comment below. We love reading comments from you guys, so please keep it up.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye,
Bye guys.
Want some more? Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel.
Everyone.
What's up, everybody?
That was awkward.
Cause you're making me feel I love when
Apparently Hamilton has the most waterfalls per...
It's the waterfall capital of the world.
There you go.
It's basically a Sunday, yeah. Some bananas in it.
Brain freezes. I don't think so that... Oh.
Yep.
Eric's ignoring us. There he is.
love when it feels right.
Feels pretty sturdy.
That person over there is trying to get the perfect Instagram photo. I was talking to my video.
Oh.
We've been waiting for this ice cream since yesterday. That was way more work than I was anticipating doing. But that's okay.
Wanna leave. I don't wanna leave. It's way beyond bitter now. I give it